Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Arfal Sabik Al-Falaki dari kelas 11B, nomor absen 17. Example of a school farewell speech. Good morning all to teachers, school staff and friends. Thank you for taking time to attend. On this bright morning, let's give thanks for the presence of God. I'll make around us because of His grace and blessing we can gather together. Let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Arfal Sabik Al-Falaki, a student class 12B. Coincidentally, I was given to the honor to give a farewell speech for class 10. Before starting the speech, there was a saying that reminded me of our journey during the 3 years of school. Namely, goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simple mean I miss you until we meet again. Mr. Head and Mrs. Teacher of the Ditkesat Vacation School and the happy audience. Please allow me, on behalf of my class 12 student, to say a few words on this session. It doesn't feel like time has passed very quickly. Yesterday it felt like I was entering grade 10 for the first time, fighting over chairs to sit with my friends, joking, laughing, getting to know Mr. and Mrs. Teachers who never tire of education and teaching us. We will never forget our arrival, which made Mr. and Mrs. Teachers think hard about how to make us independent. I still remember clearly how the students at Indonesian Junior High School came accompanied by their parents. I realized that I firmness of Mr. and Mrs. Teacher was nothing more than to teach us independent and make us really learn at school. At first, those of us who called read and weren't fluent in writing were taught patiently by teachers so that we could learn smoothly. In fact, some of us got perfect scores on the national examination. Therefore, allow me on behalf of my friend to express my deepest gratitude to Mr. and Mrs. Teacher as unsung heroes. My friend and I also apologize if while studying at Indonesian Middle School we made many mistakes and often even hurt feeling of Mr. and Mrs. Teacher. For friends who have graduated, let's fight to continue our study to high school or equivalent in order to achieve our respective dream. Finally, I ask for blessing from the principal, Mr. and Mrs. Teacher, and all of you, so that after leaving his school, we can still carry of the God name of the school. That's all I can say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.